Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Oof. This one has been around for ages, but it's simply not true. Dr. Donald Unger conducted a self-study where he cracked his knuckles on one hand for over 60 years and found no difference in arthritis between his hands. Further studies like the one published in the Journal of American Board of Family Medicine have also shown no link between cracking your knuckles and arthritis. So if you enjoy the satisfying pop, go ahead, you're not harming your joints. Oof. If you want to see and read more about these articles, I will link them down in the description below, and you will also see them on the screen.